Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete your Instagram account from Facebook. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, be sure to put your likes, and also write your comments after watching the video. So, let's get down to our topic. And first of all, open up the Facebook application. After that, you'll need to go to the menu section in the bottom right corner. Next, click on the gear at the top to go to Settings. And here you'll need to go to the Meta Account Center. Click on it. And scroll down to the bottom. And here you'll find the Account section, and you'll need to go to those. So you'll go to the page of all the Facebook accounts as well as Instagram accounts that are associated with this particular Meta Account Center. If you want to delete any of the Instagram page that is linked to this Facebook account center, when click Delete, then confirm your action and click Delete Account again. And it will be deleted. But I will tell you again that this way this account of yours will not be absolutely deleted. It will be deleted from this particular Meta account center. So you will still be able to use your account separately. It just won't be on that list. Meta Account Center if you move to it, but you can still use that account further. Friends, this is the way to delete Instagram account from your Facebook. I hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Please friends, write your comments, put your likes, and also subscribe to this channel. See you all again.